Hey guys, I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install BONOSS wheel spacers for this new Mercedes E-Class. So, should I choose BONOSS wheel spacers or wheel adapters? Both our spacers and adapters are kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problems with brakes, tie rods, and other suspension components. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting larger brake calipers without wheel scratching. We can see the back of these adapters have unique active cooling groove design that make the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling. And for this one, the hollow design makes manual reduce the weight of the spacers, so we call it lightweight plus wheel spacers. If you choose the wheel spacers, the original wheel bolt is not long enough, so you might need these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS extended wheel bolts achieve the ISO standard grade 12.9, which has higher strength than the stock one. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.